Hello friends, welcome back to M Data Lab. In our last video, we cleaned Titanic dataset step by step. Today, we are taking in one step further. We will use global superstore dataset to see how to clean, split, merge, and transform real sales data using Power Query in Excel. Before we start, let's remember four important steps in data analysis. First step, import data. Second one, understand the data. Third one, analyze the data. Fourth one, find insight. Following these four steps help us to turn messy raw data into clean, useful data for data analysis. All right, let's jump in. We already learned in our last video how to import data into Excel. So let's start by importing the global superstore dataset. First, open Excel interface. Go to Data tab, Get Data from File from CSV. Tick the Global Superstore dataset. It might take a few seconds because it's a bit bigger. After it loads, you will see the navigator window and you will see the preview of the table. And remember, don't click load, click transform data. This opens Power Query editor. This is Power Query editor. First, let's look at what inside the dataset. Order ID, order data, ship mode, customer name, product name, sales, profit, and more. In our Power Query, go to View tab, click Column Quality. You will see green, red, black point. Green means valid data, red means error, black means empty. Look like our data is mostly clean, awesome. But look at the postal column. You can see in the column valid only about 20%, empty 80%. It has a 80% empty values, so it is not really useful for our analysis. Let's remove it. To keep our data clean, just right click the column, go to remove, click, and it's gone. Then turn on column distribution to see unique values, spot strange values, or duplicates. Finally, click column profile. Gives detailed statistics, minimum value, maximum value, distinct count, and more. Super. It is helpful to know what you are working with. Here, there are not any duplicate rows. Select unique ID. In our data, row ID is a unique ID. Select row ID, click Home tab, remove rows, remove duplicates. Done. Clean and tidy data ready to go. Sometimes a single column has too much information, like customer name. Select customer name column, go to split column, click by delimiter, choose space as a delimiter, click OK. Now we have separate columns for first name and last name. Much better for analysis. Let's do for analysis. Let's do the opposite now. Merge columns. Merge order ID and customer ID into unique order customer ID. Select both order ID and customer ID column. Go to transform. Merge columns. Use hyphen as the separator. This keep each record unique and is great for analysis. Don't forget to rename the merged columns. Data type. Check all columns data types. Order date, ship date, set as a date. Change data type in order date column. It's showing errors because Power BI misunderstood this column date format. Let's solve this error step. First, select the order date column. Home tab. Click spirit column. Choose delimiter. Type hyphen. Choose each occurrence of the delimiter. Click OK. Now, the original column is split into three new columns. Order date 1, order date 2, order date 3. Order date 1, probably month. Day 2, day. Day 3, year. hold down the control key, click day column first, month column, then year column. Make sure you select them in the order day, month, year. Then go to transform tab, click merge column, choose hyphen as the separator, name the new column order date. Click OK. Click do exactly the same step. Select SIP column, split column by delimiter, select day, month, year in order, merge column with separator, name it fit date. Change the data type to date. Always check that after merging the data type, I can't source the small calendar. That means Power BI correctly sees it is a date. And that's it. We fixed the date column, so Power BI reads them correctly. And now we can use them reports without errors. Let's create some new insights. Create new column. Go to add column, custom name, and name it delivery days. And write ship date minus order date. Now we know how to fast each order was delivered. Easy to understand delivery dates. Next, create total sales after discount column. Do the same. Go to add column, custom column, name it total sales after discount. Write sales minus discount. Easy and super useful. Let's see which order made a big profit. Go to add column, click conditional column, name it KIF. Set the rule. If profit greater than 500 means yes, else no. Now we can quickly see which order did best. Hey friends, we are almost done cleaning our data. Just a few final touches to make it perfect before sending it back to Excel. Take a quick look at the small icons next to each column header. They show the data type like text, number, or date. If something looks off, just click and change it to the correct type. Easy fix. And it avoids errors later on. Got any columns that aren't useful for your analysis? Select them, right-click, and choose Remove. Keep it clean and focused. Also check your column names. Make them clear and consistent. For example, change profit to order profit. It makes a big difference when analyzing. Look at the bottom left corner. See how many rows are left? It's a good way to confirm nothing important was accidentally removed. And once you're happy with everything, click Close and Load. Boom! Your clean data is now back in Excel, ready for some serious analysis. Today we walked through how to import and transform the Global Superstore dataset using Power Query in Excel. We started by bringing in the data and using data profiling tools to understand what's inside. Then we cleaned it up, removed duplicates, handled missing values, and fixed the data types. We even practiced splitting and merging columns, and cleaned things up further by removing less useful columns like postal code. And now, your data is tidy, consistent, and ready to explore. This is the power of Power Query, turning messy data into meaningful analysis-ready insights. Clean, clear, powerful. வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருந்தா ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோ மிஸ் ஆகாம இருக்க மறக்காம பெல் பட்டனும் கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கும் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. லெட்ஸ் லேர்ன் டுகெதர், grow together. ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங். See you very soon. Bye.